Hey everyone, welcome back to Super Coder Kid. Today, we're learning about the think block in Scratch. If you want your characters to share their thoughts or ideas with a thought bubble, this block is perfect for you. Let's dive in and see how it works. To get started, let's open a new project in Scratch. Now, head over to the Looks category. This is where you'll find the think block. The think block is in purple and looks like this. Think hum for 2 seconds. You can change the text inside the block to make your sprite think anything you want. Let's give it a try. Now, let's choose a sprite. I'm going to use this scratch cap for our demo. Once you have your sprite, drag the think block to the coding area. You'll see it says, think hum for 2 seconds. Let's change the text to something like, what should I do next? Great. Now, when we run our program by clicking the green flag, our sprite will display a thought bubble for 2 seconds with this text. Cool, right? The think block makes your sprite display a thought bubble for the amount of time you specify. You can even make the character think something funny or interesting to add more personality to your projects.